Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. We are so excited first to announce that our flowers are here. They are available in our Amazon store. The link is in the description, as well as a link to our free ebook with over a dozen projects using our flowers. And the book is absolutely free, guys. Free, F-R-E-E. So make sure you get yours now. Go down to the description. This week, we have requests from a community member, and her name is Tomika. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Tomika. And she writes, "Hi, Miss Planet. I'm a teacher, and I'm getting married soon." Oh, we love our teachers. "And our colors are navy blue, white, and gold. I'm having a difficult time finding a simple centerpiece with the above colors for my wedding reception. I love your website and how you share your ideas and creativity. Can you please help?" Absolutely, Tomika. I'm so excited to help you. And this centerpiece is $20. You heard it, $20, because we're using some fantastic finds from our friends at the Dollar Tree. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Dollar Tree inspired Golden Garden Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. To construct this week's centerpiece, we are using a Yucatan margarita glass that we got from the Dollar Tree and a styrofoam disc that we also got from the Dollar Tree. We're going to make the indentation of the rim onto our disc so we can cut off the excess. Then pick your color, spray paint it, let it dry, and place your new shaved down disc right in the center, nice and snug. Well, Tomika, what do you think? Not only is it absolutely gorgeous, but it is so economical. $20 for this centerpiece, and it looks like $1,000,000. I'm so excited that you asked us to be a part of your special day, and I hope we met your vision. If you like this video, by all means like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that bell right down in the corner there, and you'll get a special notification the moment our videos are live. You can send us a comment, ask us a question. That is what we are here for. We love your words of encouragement. They push us on to go better, bigger, and even more excellent every project. If you would like, you can also follow us on our other social media platforms, and those platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? We are all doing a lot of shopping online, and this is an awesome way for you to make money while you are spending money. It's absolutely free. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. Don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com for your planning guide needs. We have some fantastic digital download guides to help you plan your party, wedding, or event of your dreams. Or if you just want to help your bridesmaids or your maid of honor help you, we have a planning binder for that. So head on over there and check it out. Well, we've come to the end of our show for this week. We are so grateful for all of you who tune in and watch us. We know that you have so many options on YouTube, and we just appreciate you choosing us. Don't forget to head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you will find all the written and picture instructions for all of our projects, just for that extra special confidence that you may need to get through the projects. Also, don't forget that we have lots of different things on our website, different blog posts, just different things to help you create the DIY wedding and or event of your dreams. So check out our website, MissPlanIt.com, and don't forget to check out our resource library where we have free digital downloads also there to help you. It was such a blast hanging out with you. And if we can help you with the project, head on down to the description or to our website, click on the project request tab, follow the easy steps, because we would love to help you make your project come to vision. Do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate saying no to anyone. Well, guys, that brings us to an end. And so with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.